Interesting finish last week to the equity markets where we had the Dow and the Russell be negative on the week and the S&P and the NASDAQ be up over 1% on the week. So a mixed bag for equities. So going into the week beginning March 28th, we have to look at geopolitical developments. Is it getting better? Is it getting worse? What's the overall status and the effect to the European economy and hence the effect to commodity prices and the effect to the global economic outlook? That's going to be top of mind. But we also had a big yield spike this week. Mortgage rates have risen. We got the highest 10-year note yield in almost 3 years, going back to May of 2019. Same thing with the 2-year note, highest since May of 2019, highest since March of 2019 for the 5-year note. Across the curve, we had the 2-year go from 197 to 230, the 5-year from 214 to 254, the 10-year from 214 to 248, and the 30-year from 242 to 259. And across the yield curve, 2s 30s went from 45 basis points to 29 basis points. 2s 10s from 17 to 18, so not much movement there, but the 5-year, 10-year from flat to negative 7 basis points. Another section of the yield curve inverted now. 5s 30s went from 28 to 5 basis points. So a spike in yields, is that happening again early next week and into the middle of the week? We have to watch that as we await the non-farm payrolls report on Friday. The yields are going to matter a lot. Speaking of data, Monday, March 28th, we get U.S. goods trade balance and retail inventory figures for February. And in Japan, we get their unemployment rate and Bank of Japan Summer of Opinions. Tuesday, March 29th, German GfK consumer confidence data for April and U.S. March consumer confidence from the Conference Board. Wednesday, German March year-over-year preliminary inflation data, and then U.S. quarter-over-quarter final GDP for the fourth quarter of last year. That evening, China MBS manufacturing PMI for March. Thursday, we get from the UK year-over-year Q4 GDP, then from Germany, their unemployment rate and unemployment change for March, and in the U.S., February year-over-year headline and core PCE price data will be coming out. And then Friday, April 1st, first day of the month, EU March flash headline and core CPI data. We get market ISM and manufacturing PMIs in the US for March. And then, of course, non-farm payrolls data. That'll be the big one to watch.